Starting now. Yep, we swapped weapons. Are you gonna be using Stampede?
No.
No, okay. Just kick it out of your way so you don't step.
I'm gonna be using the Titan, the Long Strike, and the Awesome Striker.
And what about the barrel break too?
You said I can only have 3 weapons.
Oh, okay.
That's 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
3 primaries instead of a second. You know what? I'll call that my second. 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. 8 extra bullets.
Now, guys, just to mention to you guys, we're gonna make it up for the past couple of months, not being able to make another Nerf War. I'm gonna make the second one, round 2, but this is gonna be much different than the first one. The first round will consist of hits. You get 20 hits, maybe 15 hits, maybe.
Yeah, let's go 20.
20. Okay, 20 hits, and you're done. And if you get all the way up to 20 hits, I'll let you know you have reached 20. The game is over, and you're done. Whoever is left standing wins. And you can also scavenge. You can scavenge the area for ammo. That's really it. So, what am I stepping on? Oh, it's a remote. Luke, are you ready?
Ready!
Alright, everyone's ready. The game starts.
Will commence in 5.
Hold on, I gotta. 4. I gotta put this up. Gotta close these curtains.
3. 2. 2.5. 2 3/4.
1. Go!
1. 1.5. 1 3/4. Now go. Oh no, you're starting right away with the Vulcan. I'm starting right away with my Striker then.
Bring it! What makes you think I was doing my Striker?
What the?
Ah! Hit 2. Hit 3. Whoa!
How about a headshot counts as 2?
Alright. I got 4.
What the?
Ooh! 2 for you. That was barely about to hit your arm. Come on.
Oh no. My Striker's already out of ammo. Leave me alone. Eat a shell. Uh-oh. This'll count as 5.
Count as what?
5.
Hold on, let me... Oh, that's like horrible!
Oh no! Heavy machine gun versus assault rifle. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. I beg of you. I'm at 3, I think. Yeah, 3.
No, I got 6. I'm gonna stand right here. 6.
I'm gonna save some ammo.
Alright. You got me 3 times, so that's 9.
Uh-oh!
Son of a...
Beep. Oh no. Ah! 4!
There's no way I can dodge that missile.
What?
That missile you're gonna shoot at me. Ah! 7. 1.
Ah! Headshot! I'm at 6. can't get up.
Ow. 10. 11. Wait, what am I doing?
13!
Oh. See you behind the TV, or in front of the TV,
Oh, okay.
so I know exactly what you're planning.
I'm planning about putting more ammo into my clip.
Oh, that's what you're doing.
Leave me alone! Hey, you can't come that close.
Oh, right. Here, how about this? Just move that closer to me.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I did nothing to deserve this. No. No, I said no. I said no. Didn't I just say no?
Sorry, wrong answer. You're supposed to say yes. Yes. No, you're supposed to say no.
Whoa! Jam.
Headshot.
This is in bounds. This is in bounds. This is in bounds. Fail. I need ammo, I need ammo, I need ammo. Time to fill up. Ah! Next shot. Eek. This is like the only good gun that I have. Alright, you know what? Forget this. You better run for cover!
Oh, do it from right there. I'll give you... Alright, you don't get the bonus points.
Ammo. My back. What the? The big dog's coming out to play.
With what? With what, I wonder?
With everything.
Oh,
You foul dog scut.
I got 12 hits.
13. 14. Oh. I'm only at 8. Oh, forget that! Oh, son! I'm hit. I cannot continue.
Thank you!
I didn't want it. Stop giving me ammo.
Your point? Okay, now I got a full clip again.
Oh no. I'm out. You gotta give me at least 10 seconds to give me some reload time.
Ready? 1, 10. There.
No!
I dare you. Use the Titan.
No, because if I miss, I don't have another shot.
Come on. I dare.
I don't have another shot with it, so I don't want to dare.
I'll stand right here, not moving, from a faraway distance, so the rocket can actually hit me instead of bouncing me off. Or bouncing off me, or whatever. Here, I'll even be unarmed. What do you say? Come on, I got 6 more shots.
I'm reloading my long strike. So, why don't you give me like an hour or 2 and I'll think about it then. Ah, you hit me twice in my leg.
God crap, I'm almost out of ammo. I need ammo. Ammo!
Last 2 bullets in my last resort. In my total recall.
Go.
Oh, please don't tell me you have ammo now.
Come on, I dare you. Hit me with your best shot.
Dun, dun, dun.
What you doing?
Maybe nothing. Maybe something. Shoot me with nothing! Don't.
There we go.
I gotta get to the ammo over there to fill up my clip. Give me a 3-second head start.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah! I'm hit! Wow, I didn't even notice that dart.
Give me with a shot. Away. I made it rain with darts.
I'm about to make it rain with darts.
Hey, you lied.
I'm the Terminator. I'm the Terminator. The Terminator must hide and cover.
Hey, you only use the guns that you were trying.
Okay.
Which means you keep the rest of your dart drum, and I don't get any hits.
Well, I hit you once, so let's just count that. So you're at, what, 15 now?
15, fine.
I don't even think I have 15 bullets in here.
Use the Titan. This will be my last stand. Serious. Use the Titan. Oh, you're aiming at me.
Last resort. Last resort.
Hold on, let me load these 2 bullets in. Oh wait, I got a better idea. So, before you shoot, I'm gonna do a type of game where...
We're in the middle of a war. There is no games.
No. 1 bullet, 1 bullet. But, wait. Get to your side of the fort, I get to mine.
Alright, I'm at my side of the fort.
No, I meant far in the back. Last man wins. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Victory!
Alright. You won yet a second time.
Yeah! I win. I win.
I was just about to do a barrel roll.
Oh, Gears of War style?
No, more like a Star Fox version. Alright, we got a winner here. Okay. This has been another great Nerf War with KidODeath500. I'll see you guys later.